Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to change colors or themes on Spotify. Unfortunately, Spotify does not offer a built-in feature to change its default theme or colors. However, there are some creative ways to personalize your Spotify experience. First, go ahead on a Play Store, then type in Spotify. You'll see many options. Go ahead and type on stats.fm for Spotify. Go ahead and install it. This is a unique third-party app which can modify your Spotify and give it a fresh look after the installation is complete. So after the installation is complete, tap on open. Then from here you can log in with your Spotify account and can customize your Spotify. And now you guys know how to change features on your Spotify account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.